Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to go for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang Convertible. Does have the 6-cylinder under the hood. These are great little motors. But he's going around this car pointing out any kind of flaws about halfway through my test drive, and that'll be a separate video. Definitely check that out. I'm probably going to take the top down before we take off here. Go ahead and enjoy the day. If you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Also have financing options and transportation. A good thing to do if you are interested in any of our cars up here, go ahead and get pre-approved through one of the finance companies on our website. That way, Monday when we upload all the new cars, yeah, you could be like, hey, I want that one. Boom, it's done. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button. Post videos every day. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior, definitely gonna drop the top. It's nice and hot out here today in Tennessee. Well, I think it's one of the most humid days we've had this year. So I'm taking this top down. It doesn't look that great from the inside, but I haven't noticed any leaks. We will be looking for that, checking the carpet and everything through the walk around videos. So we're gonna go ahead and take this top down. Go ahead and take the poll. Do you think the horn works? I'll have it up in the top right corner of your screen. If you have a cell phone, I think your computer will work as well if you throw the mouse down. So I've got the top unbuckled here. I believe this is a manual top. It is. See how easy it is to throw them back? You just use one hand, comes down. Always try to push from the middle. You got clips on either end. See them clips? They hold on to your top. You can really get a good look at the interior now. We'll roll down these windows, check them out, make sure they're on track. And let's see what we got here. This one's coming down nice and smooth. Go ahead and open this door. Check this window. I'll have to roll this one back up for the video, but yeah. It's on track, it's nice and smooth. Good look at the interior before we take off. Let's go ahead and start it up. Window's coming down easy as well. The dash looks pretty good. It's a little bit wrinkled here. This thing starts up awesome. Your gauges are coming up, oil pressure's coming up, gas gauge is coming up. Amp gauge is working. Our temp is low. Just started it. Radio. That's what I'm talking about right there. Blower motor, it's cutting on. No AC on this one. Wipers, boom, working. Horn, come on horn, everything else works. That's really stiff, I doubt it. Oh my goodness. Horn works, everything works on this car. So it's about that time. Let's take off. All right, I feel like it's gonna be a pretty good day today. Start this test drive off here. One thing I noticed, there's no seat belts in this car. Make sure I shut my door all the way. Softly shut that one. Definitely need to add some seat belts. That's something that's not very expensive though. As we're taking off here, I noticed the speedo's coming up. The brakes are kind of sensitive. I believe they're drum all the way around, so they may have some dust built up on them from sitting in the gravel parking lot back there. It's showing 98,000 miles on the dash. Could be very accurate. Got some chattering going on here from the dash. It was the steering wheel. Anything I see that may be wrong with this, I will let you know. I want you to know everything before you get here. That way there's no issues. No power steering in this one. Speedo's coming up, looks pretty accurate. Suspension feels nice and smooth. Steering's got a little bit of slack in it, you see that? turns there, turns there. Not a whole lot of slack. It's still in good shape. We'll let go of the steering wheel and see if it goes straight here. Got to get it straight first. It's got a slight right pull. Very slight. We'll go ahead and hold the brakes for a second, make sure there's no dust on them. That's how you kick that dust off. While you're driving down the road, just kind of firmly press the brake while you're hitting the gas. Kind of knocks that dust off. Don't do it for too long. You don't want to burn your brakes up. Kick down is hooked up on this one. Let's try these brakes. They're in good shape. They feel good. Turn signal's popping up on the dash. Temp gauge is creeping up. This car don't put off a ton of heat with the small motor it has, so probably by the end of the test drive it'll be up to a normal temperature, but it has came up a little bit. Whoa, there you go. Pull out in the road, you're good. This is a great cruising car. I've sold a lot of these to, believe it or not, 16-year-olds. This is their first car. The 6 cylinders are a great one for them to learn on with the Classic. I'm gonna do some cruising around this parking lot, get some video shots of the outside, and we'll continue this test drive. Okay, got it going on here right now. I look real goofy. I do like the virtual cam though. Makes you feel like you're in the car. So I'll wear it for you. That's what she said. I'm just playing. I shouldn't say that. All right, we got to continue this test drive here. And we got a little bit of an open road, so we're going to take advantage of that. I told you that temp gauge would start coming up. It's just past the C. It's on the very low end of the gauge there. This thing is just super smooth with the throttle, the way the motor feels, the suspension. It feels light and smooth. You'll have to drive it to know what I'm talking about, but little inline 6 got good power. It's no race car, it's a good cruiser though. But if you needed to get out of the way, you could. This road here does have a big speed bump in it. I like to hit that and give you an idea on the suspension. I bet you with this car, you probably won't even notice we hit it. Certain cars you do, but here it is. We're right around the corner from the car lot now. I've got so many cars to get to. My new plan is, it's kind of working out. So you know how you have to wait for the new inventory to pop up on our website, and then you have to wait for the videos. Well, I've already started making videos of some of them for next week. So Monday, you're gonna end up having a whole bunch of videos of all the new cars that we post. That way, by Tuesday or Thursday, somewhere in the middle of the week, it'll all be on there available for you. Just changing the game here. All right, guys, they're out here washing cars. I'm gonna be going and making some more videos today. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Post cars every single day. Monday, we're gonna be updating. We do that every Monday with all the new ones. So check out maplemotors.com. You can also get financed. You can get pre-approved. You get pre-approved, and when our cars pop on that Monday, you'll be first in line to buy one of them. If you wait till Monday to get approved, and it won't happen that day. It'll end up happening probably Wednesday or Thursday. So that's a definite big advantage if you're pre-approved. Also, we ship cars all over the country. So check that out. It's also available on our website. Hit that subscribe button. We post videos every single day. Lots of new cars coming in. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.